All right, this is June 22nd of 2024.
It appears to be.
All right, and this is at Sean Gathwright's residence?
Correct.
And this is the part of the video camera where Isaiah Chance arrives at the residence, correct?
It appears to be.
And he's just gotten out of the vehicle with a firearm and tucked it into his waistband?
I can't recall which specific point, like in this clip right here.
All right.
But that does happen, yes.
Okay. All right. Let's rewind that. All right. Did you see Mr. Chance tuck the firearm into his waistband?
I saw him tuck something from this angle, yes.
All right. At this point in time, Alicia Andrews is not present, correct?
That is correct.
All right. She's at home.
That is correct.
All right. And this is when Isaiah Chance first arrives.
Correct.
Isaiah Chance is going inside of Sean Gathwright's home.
Yes.
All right. Continue to play. At this time, the Impala is not present. Is that correct?
There's another angle. From this angle, I can't tell.
All right. Isaiah Chance grabs bags from his BMW. Is that accurate?
It appears that he's grabbing yes, some bags from his BMW, yes.
All right. At this point, Alicia Andrews is still not present on the scene.
Correct.
All right. And there's a long bag that he's grabbing there. Is that correct? In his right hand?
The blue one in his right hand, yes.
All right. And there's the same long blue bag that Isaiah Chance grabbed. He's going inside the house with it.
Yes.
He doesn't take the bag from the BMW and put it straight into the Chevy Impala. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. And he goes back to the BMW to gather more belongings?
Yes, sir.
All right. And that's Sean Gathright on the camera?
Yes, sir.
Sean Gathright is with Isaiah Chance
At this time, yes.
Alicia Andrews is still not present.
That's correct.
Actually, Alicia Andrews is never present during any of the time where Sean Gathright and Isaiah Chance are packing and unpacking the vehicles at Sean Gathright's house. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
She's at home.
Correct.
She doesn't know what they're doing.
I can't speak to what she knows.
You don't have any evidence that she knows what they're doing.
Objection, speculation.
Sustained as to state of mind, you can answer the question as far as evidence you may have or not have.
Do you have any evidence that Alicia Andrews knew that Isaiah Chance and Sean Gathright were packing any of these belongings in this car, in this Impala?
No.
Did Isaiah Chance tell Alicia Andrews that he was packing anything?
Do I have evidence of
Yeah,
communication?
text message, anything?
No.
And they're packing these vehicles, they're going back and forth with these bags, they're doing that for a couple of hours. Is that correct?
I believe Mr. Chance got there somewhere around 12:30 p.m., and the packing occurs before they leave at 3:54. So yeah, I would say a couple hours, sure.
All right, and for that entire stretch of time, Alicia Andrews is not present.
She arrives closer to the, right before they leave.
Right, but she's not present when they're packing any of the bags for those few hours, is that correct?
For the packing of the bags, no.
All right. Or the packing of the cars with the bags?
She's not present for this specific sequence of the bags coming out of Mr. Gathright's car and going into the Impala
All right.
at this time.
Okay. All right, so Alicia Andrews gets there around what time?
Are we still using this, or are
Yes.
you done?
Yes, we are.
I'd have to go to the report to give you the exact time.
That's fine.
15, 20 hours.
15:20, so that's...
That's 3:20 p.m.
3:20 p.m.
Yes.
All right. So, back up some. Earlier on direct, you testified that those salespeople that came by the house, that they were talking to Alicia Andrews in the BMW. She's sitting in the front passenger seat, correct? All right. When she arrives in that BMW, she never goes inside of Sean Gathright's home, right?
That is correct.
She sits in the vehicle
Yes.
and is away from Sean Gathright and away from Isaiah Chance, who just went into the home.
Up until the point where they all leave in the same car, yes.
Right. And when Alicia Andrews gets out of the BMW, she goes into an Impala, is that correct?
Yeah, it appeared she went into the backseat of Sean Gathright's black Impala, correct.
At this time, when Alicia Andrews is seated in the BMW, in that driveway there, there's no Chevy Impala there, correct?
Mr. Gathright had left for some time in this sequence, yes.
All right, so when she arrived, there was no black Impala.
I believe so, yes.
There's another vehicle in the driveway, is that correct?
Yes.
A white car.
Yes, I see it.
All right. All right, pause it. So the Impala pulls up, right, in this video. Do you see that?
Yes, I'm watching, yes, sir.
All right. And Alicia Andrews is getting out of the front passenger seat of the BMW,
Correct.
and she goes directly into the back seat of the Impala.
Correct.
And when Sean Gathright ran past the vehicle, did he stop and say hi to Alicia Andrews?
It did not appear that happened.
They don't even acknowledge each other, is that correct?
I can't hear if there's
But
dialogue.
you didn't see them look at each other, correct?
Objection, argumentative.
Overruled.
You didn't see them look at each other,
It
correct?
doesn't appear that they have much interaction in this clip, no,
They don't
sir.
give each other a hug or anything like that?
There was no hug that I saw, sir.
This video, it also had audio, is that correct?
Yes, it did.
And it captured some conversations, or at least people talking back and forth throughout the few hours that they were packing the bags and packing the cars, is that correct?
So the angle that captures the driveway that was closest to the Impala, like if you were right next to the Impala talking, you can make it out, but like anything further than that, it's very difficult to make out what's being said.
All right, but there are things that are being said on the camera, correct?
Yes.
And nothing on the camera footage, the audio from it, nothing says that Alicia Andrews knows of any murder plot.
They didn't articulate that on the camera, no, sir.
All right. There is in this photo, this is when Alicia Andrews comes back.
Yes, sir, that's correct.
All right. And there's like a pink bag in the photo there?
At some point, yes.
All right. This pink bag, you were mentioning it on direct. Did you
Yes.
ever recover the pink bag?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
All right, it's not recovered. Do you know who the pink bag belongs to?
No.
So you don't know if it belongs to Alicia, you don't know if Alicia Andrews, you don't know if it belongs to Isaiah Chance, correct?
No.
You don't know if it belongs to Sean Gathright?
I'm aware that it came out of Mr.Gathright's home and ultimately goes back into Mr. Gathriight's home, but I have no way of proving who the rightful owner is of that pink bag.
Do you know what was in the pink bag?
No.
All right, and is that pink bag big enough to fit any of the rifles that are in evidence inside of it?
I can't, without the dimensions of the bag, I wouldn't be able to speculate on that.
All right, no problem. The pink bag was it uncovered or found during the search warrant of Sean Gathwright's home?
Not that I'm aware of.
What is the relevance of this pink bag?
So, again, there was bags that were loaded into the Impala out of Sean Gathwright's home. Those bags were then unloaded into the Airbnb, and then those bags were taken out of the Airbnb and transported back to Jacksonville.
Right, but there was a heavy focus on this pink bag, and I just want to make sure that we understand what the pink bag means. So that pink bag, as far as you know, didn't have any guns or weapons in it, correct?
I have no way of knowing what's inside the bag from the video footage.
All right. And when Alicia Andrews left Sean Gathwright's home initially, she was not driving the Impala, is that correct?
That is correct.
All right, we're done with this exhibit.
And if council would do me a favor, just because we have so much evidence in this case, so many exhibits, I should say, if you're done utilizing something, Mr. Coffey, if you wouldn't mind just handing it back to the clerk to make sure she gets it back, okay?
We
All
will,
right,
Judge.
thank you.
Let's go to State's Exhibit 61A. 60. So showing what's in evidence that states 60. So that's the Airbnb on the left there, correct?
Correct.
All right, and it has a ring camera, that's what you were showing?
Yes.
All right. There's parking along the side of the building, correct?
Correct.
All right. People do park on the side of the building, right?
There are spots there, yes, sir.
So when Alicia Andrews arrives to that door, she is caught on that ring camera, is that correct?
Yes.
You can see the ring camera from this distance, right?
Yes.
It's also listed in the Airbnb listing that there are security cameras at the premises, right?
I'm not aware of that.
You're not aware of that?
I'm not doubting it, I just, I haven't read the listing
Okay.
to know that off the top of my head.
All right. When Alicia Andrews arrives to the Airbnb and she's on camera going in the front door, she approaches the door and she knocks on the door, is that correct?
That's correct.
She has her bag in her hand.
She had, I believe, a phone in her hand, maybe a bag on her shoulder.
All right. And when she approaches the door and knocks on it, someone from inside lets her in, correct?
That's what the evidence would suggest at this point with the log and all the information that we have. I have no definitive way of knowing that someone inside let her in.
Okay. Well, she knocks. She doesn't put in a code, correct?
It does appear she's knocking when the first video starts, yes.
All right. And because she doesn't have a key to the door, somebody on the inside must open it. Is that correct?
There's multiple ways to gain access. You can be let in by the owner. Somebody could open it. They could have been unlocked. At that specific moment, there's no way to tell what's happening inside the unit.
All right, but the owner is not inside the unit, right?
No.
The owner of the Airbnb. He actually lives in a different state.
Correct. Yes, sir.
And the only way for him to open the door would be through some remote system.
Yes.
All right, and the owner was not talking to Alicia Andrews when she approached the door. Is that correct?
Not that I have any evidence of.
All right.